Hello everyone again. Welcome to Easy English Stories. Story number 3. Spots.
Spots.
Spots? What? Kipper is looking at the mirror. Oh my gosh! I've got spots on my face. Spots. Kipper had spots. Kipper had spots. Mom is taking care of him. Oh my gosh! Biff and Chip had spots too. Biff and Chip had spots too. Biff and Chip had spots too. This is their mother. She's surprised. She even spilt tea on the table. Oh my God! The doctor came.
The doctor came. Stay in bed, she said.
Okay, the doctor
The doctor came.
The doctor came.
Stay in bed, she said.
She said, stay in bed. She said, stay in bed. Okay? The doctor said, stay in bed. Because now 3 of them had spots. Kipper, Chip, and Biff had spots.
Mum had spots.
Oh my God. Mom had spots? Oh, now 4. Mom, Kipper, Biff, and Chip had spots. Sorry.
Mum had spots. Stay in bed too, said the doctor.
Yes, stay in bed too, said the doctor. Stay in bed too, said this is her husband. This is the mother, this is the father. Dad, Mom. Mom had spots too. And the doctor came again. Dad looked after everyone. Look after, which means take care of. Okay, you take care of someone. He put the washing out. He put the washing outside. He put the washing out. This is their dog. All right? And this is what? This is their neighbor. They're looking. Oh, look. He's doing the laundry. He's doing the washing. The man does the washing. This is these are their neighbors, you know. So he went shopping. What a job, said Dad.
He went shopping? What a job, said Dad.
What a job. He went shopping. He went, the past of go. He went shopping. You know, he went to buy vegetables. Sorry. He went to buy vegetables, fruit, and bread, and things they will need. Because they are all sick. And he looks after them. Everyone got better. But wait. Everyone got better? Everyone got better. But wait. Oh my God. What? Everyone got better. But, oh no, said Mom. Oh no, she's surprised.
Everyone got better. Oh no, said Mum.
Oh no, what? Oh, Dad had spots. Dad had spots. Dad had spots. Spots. Everyone got spots. Now they take care of him. Okay, that's the end of the story. Now let's do a little quiz. Did Mom spill the tea because she was sick? She spilled the tea because she was surprised. No. She was surprised, that's why she spilled tea on the table. Did the doctor tell the children to play in the garden? The doctor, what did she say? She said, go play outside. Go play in the garden. No, she said, stay in bed. So no, as well, here. Did Dad get ill? Yes, he also gets sick or ill. He got ill at the end. Washing, went shopping. Who went shopping? He or she? Dad or Mom? Dad. So he went shopping. He put the washing out. He put the washing out. So the missing word is the. Oh, said Mom. Oh, what did she say? Oh, no. Yes. Alright, that's the end of the story. I hope you like it. If you like the video or the lesson or the story, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thank you very much for your attention and see you later. Bye bye for now. Take care.